This is how to recover permanently deleted photos, videos, or audio, and we can do this using Stellar Photo Recovery. So this works on any kind of device, whether it's a laptop, an SD card, or a hard drive that's been formatted. Stellar Photo Recovery can scan that and find all of the deleted files for you to recover. So here's how it works. You can install Stellar on your laptop for free, and then you connect the device that you want to scan. Then Stellar will scan it for a few minutes and give you a complete list of the files which you can recover. So this includes photos, videos, or audio. So the entire scanning process is for free, and they allow you to freely recover 10 files up to 100 MB. So if you want to recover more files or more data, then you will have to get a paid plan, and you can find the pricing on their website. So without wasting more time, let's get straight into it and see how it works. So here I've come to my laptop, and the first thing we'll do is install Stellar Photo Recovery. So come to your browser and just search for Stellar Photo Recovery. Then scroll down and select this link. I've also put this in the description so you can check that out. And once you're here, click on free download, that's this option. Then here, select the location where you want to download it and click on save. Then just wait for the download to complete, and once it's done, just go to the location and double click on the file ending with .exe, and after that, the installation will start. As you can see, the app is getting installed. And now it's opened and we're ready to go. But before I show you how exactly it works, let's take a live example. So I have a pen drive connected to this, and what I'm going to do is add images to the pen drive, then delete them, and we'll try and recover it using Stellar. So let's start that process. So this is the pen drive that's currently empty. First, I'll add some files to this, which I'll then delete. So these are 6 images which I've added to this pen drive, and now I'll delete them. And as you can see, they're permanently deleted and there's no way of getting them back. So it doesn't matter if I've deleted it right now or even a few days back, years back, all of that will now come in Stellar. So let's check that out. So in the first page, we have to decide what we want to recover. We have 3 options: photos, audio, or videos, and you can select all 3. But this time, since I know I only want photos, I'll just deselect audio and videos and then click on next. Then we have to select the device which we want to scan. So I want to scan my pen drive. It's this one over here. And as you can see, it currently doesn't have any data. But like this, we can select any other device connected to our system. So one example is the Windows SSD, or a Google Drive, or if you have anything else like an external hard drive, you can connect that and the option will come. So now that it's selected, I'll click on scan. They also have an option for deep scan, but first you can do a normal scan, and if you don't find it, then go for a deep scan. So I'll click on this now, and it may take some time based on how large your device is. Since this was a small pen drive, it happened in a matter of seconds, and the results are here. They found 20 files in 3 folders, and the total size is 30 MB. So click on OK. And if you want to see the results, on the left, just select the folder. And as you can see, these are all of the files which it found. So right now, I only added and deleted 6 images, but I was actually testing it out with a lot more images, and all those options have come here. So they've also given the details like the file name, size, when it was created and modified. Then you can decide which all files you want to recover. Currently all are selected, and you can deselect some if you don't want them. So now I'll click on recover. Then we have to select a folder on our system where we want them to be saved. So I've created this folder to get all the recovered photos. I'll just click on select and now click on save. And as you can see, all these photos are getting recovered. So it's actually found some duplicates, so I can decide what I want to do. So for now, I'll just click on skip all, so I won't have any duplicates. And it's done. So let's check it out. I'll open File Explorer. Then this was the folder, so I'll click on it. Again click. And as you can see, all the images which we deleted, they've all come here. And there are also some additional ones which I deleted earlier, but everything has come here. So this is how it works for an SD card, and the process is the same irrespective of the device. You just connect it, scan it, and recover. It's as simple as that. So that's all for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.